welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and today I'm going to be covering Vechain as always, like my favorite coin ever. So let's go. Starting on the daily time frame today, and as I said, this is our neckline for our W pattern. Let me just make this pattern clear because it's a little bit ugly, but there we go. So we've got one bottom, two bottom, on your way basically, but we'll only be on our way when we have broken the neckline, which is this pink line here. Let's measure a little target for that, shall we? Right down to the bottom there, breaking out, and if we do break out, that's going to take us to 12.8 cent, which is incredible. It's a price we really want to see once again. Of course, we've got a long way to go until we do hopefully reach this target up here, so let's go back down where we are now. So as I've said, I think I've said it like once or twice in my videos, that the 20 moving average, the purple moving average here, acts as kind of a trend line. If we go back, we can see support and an uptrend, broke out, retest as resistance into a downtrend, and we've been respecting this 20 moving average all the way down. So one key thing to show we will start heading up is if we get above the 20 moving average. Once we've got above the 20 moving average and held it as support, we're technically changing the trend then. And our next target would be the 55, following would be the 200 moving average. So you've got like 3 targets here that are really key to get above if you do want to start heading back up again. As we can see here, when we were heading up, we were above all 3 moving averages for a long time. And now it's like we were coming back to retest them. However, if we lost the support and we've broken down as well. So if we can get above the 20, I think we'll be good and on our way for a short-term uptrend. Hopefully that can then turn to a long-term uptrend. But yeah, so let's add some fibs on now. Swing low to swing high. There we go. So we have tapped the one here. We've kind of filled in this wick to the left, which I have been saying for a long time is that it is a strong possibility that we will do. And now we've done that. Maybe we found a bottom here. I know I always say this, but we could have, we've hit the one, we've held it as support, filled in this wick to the left. Like, it's looking strong right now. We're holding the 786 really well. Yes, we did fail to get above the 0618, which then creates your reversal wave. So if we do head back to the 1 fib level, it won't be a huge surprise for me, because we have used the 0618 as resistance. So if we do come back down to 0.069 cent, I will not be panicking at that point. However, I definitely won't be panicking if we can get above 0618 at 0.081 cent. That would be very strong for continuation to the upside to then break our neckline and hit our target of 12.9 cent. But obviously this target is not validated until we've broken this neckline. I just want to make that clear. Obviously, if we come down and lose the 1618 is our ultimate target. That's at 0.053 cent. If we do go down there, we're also losing this weekly support. So it's really important that we don't lose this area here, the 1414. We cannot afford to lose 0.057 cent, because then I think it would be looking pretty bad. I mean, we don't want to go back to 0.037 cent at all. But hopefully we can find support, strong support at 1, 2, 3 fib levels, either one, for continuation up. Let's head on to the 4 hour. Obviously nothing much has changed. We're still waiting on Bitcoin ultimately. Really need Bitcoin. It's all down to Bitcoin basically. If Bitcoin drops, our alts are going to drop heavier. If Bitcoin goes up, our alts are going to go up stronger. Anyway, so we've kind of got this on the 4 hour. Yes, it's quite ugly, but 1 bottom, 2 bottom there. 2 bottom sounds so funny. So we could be having a mini W pattern within our huge one. This is obviously zoomed in now. We're looking at the shorter time frame. Still under these moving averages, but if we can come up, maybe have a little range in between the two, finding strong support and resistance here, but we just broke below. That could, as I said before, be our second bottom. So if we did have a target from neckline to the bottom, I know it's very short term, but that would then break these highs here, higher highs at 0.085 cent. So if we can get there, that would be really strong. However, let's just add some, I don't know why I said however, let's add some positive fibs top to bottom. If this was our bottom here, which I do think it most definitely could be, that target will take us above the 0.618, which is a banging. That is exactly what we want. We want to be hitting that 0.084 cent, and it lines up with the 200 moving average too. So in the short term, I do think this could be a strong possibility if Bitcoin plays nicely as well. Obviously, then it's going to take us to the 1 here, reaching the top of these highs here above all moving averages. At that point, we may have to come back down maybe to this level or this level here. But if we do hit 0.096 cent, we'll be on our way, if we hold it as support, to the 1618 at 11.8 cent. And obviously, we do have our high target here for the daily time frame W pattern, but we're just looking on the 4 hour. So these are like short-term high targets. But they're still an upper target. They're still valid. So we just got to see how it plays out, guys, really. There's not much more I can update on. Obviously, when anything changes, I'll always let you know. But we're looking similar. We're heading down right now, but hopefully we can find a bottom and continue up. If not, obviously we know what's going to happen because I just explained it. So just subscribe. I really want to get to 100 subs. Please and thank you. And like and comment down below. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.